Hello everyone and welcome to my CS50 web project for network. Now we're going to be going over the specifications as always, so let's look at it. So for the first specification, it says that any user, if signed in, should be able to write a text inside a text area and then click a submit button to post it. So here we go. For example, I'm signed in right now, the same. And now we're going to say, for example, hello. You can see it gets posted. Now if I would sign out and try to do that, and it's going to say you must log in order to post anything. So moving on to the second specification, it says all posts. This is a route that you can go to, which shows all the posts from all the users. So for example, the new post that we just made, it's 0. And this is actually the all posts page, and you can see all the posts down here. All right. The third specification is profile page. Clicking on a username should load the user's profile page, and this page should include. So for example, if you can see the profile username, the followers and following counts. Look at the time. They're all in reverse sequence. So this is older than this one, for example. And for any other user that signed in, they should be able to follow or unfollow that person. Okay, this is going to toggle everything in the backend. And this only works for other users. It cannot follow yourself, for example. So if we go here, for example, technically cannot follow this person right now because I'm not logged in, but it's going to take us there. So let's go and log in, for example. And now if I go to same, we can follow them. And let's say you want to follow, look at our own profile. You're going to check, and you see you cannot follow yourself. Now on to the fourth specification. So it's talking about the following page, okay? So people that are followed, it's same, and I'm Liam here, logged in as Liam, and it's because I have followed them. If I remove this follow, it's not going to show anymore. And this will only be showed to the people that are logged in. So if I log out, you can see it's not there anymore. Alright, now for the fifth specification, which is pagination. So it's basically on any page that displays posts, you should have a only 10. So I can show you that in the all posts. Even though I'm logged in, it doesn't really matter if I'm not logged in. Here, this is alt 10. And now if I click next, it's going to show me a bit more. I've apparently written more posts. So yeah, this is the last one. You click previous to go back, and there you go. Okay, now for the sixth specification, it says edit post. So anyone that has a post there can click that button and they can change that unit. So here you can see it was hello, and I can show you another one, for example, this one. Yeah, see, it's the same thing. And this one closed because I used some JavaScript for that. You can test that. So let's say hello there, for example. And it's going to refresh, it's going to reload this element alone without the whole page. So if I reload the page, it's still going to be there. Now I have disabled showing the edit button for any other user's post. But let's say, for example, we reveal it. So let's remove this and that. So now we can be able to presumably edit it, right? For any other user, I'm saying. Let's say I want to go change it for Gunther. And let's say, I don't know, something random. And now let's say save. Now, it did not change whatsoever because if I look at the console, I have gotten, see, we're getting a error here. Cannot edit someone else's post. This is a 403 permission forbidden. All right. So now let's go fix this before submitting this to CS50. Okay, now this is finished. Let's go to the seventh specification. Okay, like and unlike. So for example, you can like any post, even your post, right? On any social media platform, you can still do that. You can also show that the updating is happening by, for example, clicking this and reloading. You can see it's still the same. So that means it is in fact updating in the backend. All right, this was all about this project. Thank you for watching. This was CS50.